Welcome to online learning. Today we shall look at how to edit PDF file in our Google Drive using a third-party app that is Kami app, which is quite easy and useful for both teachers and students. Let's get started. This is my Google Drive. I'm going to open my Google Drive, and here I've already pre-uploaded a worksheet which I would like to edit with Kami app. So I'm going to right-click mouse, open with, and here as you can see I have other PDF editor which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use Connect More Apps to choose Kami app. Here you can see that Kami is prompted, but you can always search for Kami. All right, type the word Kami and search for it and you will get it here. All right, this is Kami PDF and document annotation. So click install, click continue and give permission to Kami using your email, and that is the allow permission part. Okay, that's it. That's done, and I'm not gonna use it as default. Click off and click off. Okay, now we are ready. Let's have a look how to edit this worksheet. Now right click mouse and you can see that open with Kami is already there, or you can just double click it. Yeah, you can click also, then you can open with Kami. All right, so Kami is opening. Now, you need to authorize Google to let you use Kami. So I'm just gonna allow. All right. Here, this is what you will get for a free version of Kami PDF editor. You can use text box, shapes, drawing shapes, eraser. These are different functions. And here at the top, you can use also the share document function, print, save, and also download. Okay, let's look how we can edit this worksheet. Okay, first of all, I'm going to type my name, so put the name there. It's online learning. Okay. Now that is there, online learning. And here, as you can see, you can change your font to two different types, Roboto or Times New Roman, or you can also choose the size of your font here, right? And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to put my date. Today is 1st December and 2021. Okay, that's it. And as you can see, you can just click on the box and drag it the way where you want to place it. Okay, that's how you can do it. And now let's solve the word problem. Alex picked 4 seashells, Sam picked 5 seashells, and Sarah picked 3 seashells. How many seashells did they pick altogether? Okay, so here I would like to use my drawing function. We choose the color. I'm going to choose a red color. Okay, I'm going to underline all the key facts of keywords that I need to use. Okay, and the question is asking all together. So that means I need to add them all. So I can say 4 add or plus 5 and plus 3. Okay, so I'm just going to use the drawing function to write the number. So that will give me 9 plus 3, that's 12 seashells. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the text box to fill in my answer. That is 12 seashells. Okay, and then I'm going to click on, yeah, I'm going to drag on it and just keep it in the middle. Okay, that's it. That's one way of solving your worksheet or editing the PDF. Now, I'm only solving one word problem because I would like to save it. So the moment I click save, it will just save and you can choose your file, your Google Drive. So you will click on Google Drive and that's it. It will create a folder in your drive. Okay, as you can see, the PDF is already, the PDF is already been saved in your drive. Okay, let's check it out if it has saved or not. Okay, I'm just going to right click mouse, open with Kami. You're going to open the same file and to see if it has saved the original, the earlier working we did. Yeah, there you can see your working is still there. Yeah, so you can continue working with the next one and finishing off your worksheet. And then let's say if you have completed, then you can share the document as you wish to anyone or your teacher or your friends. Okay, that's the part where you can share, or you can straight away print, and again you can save, or you even can download the file as a final file. Yeah, that's an easy way to use Kami app, especially for teachers, students. You can easily work on your worksheets, edit the worksheet any way you want. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.